AI is no longer optional. It's the lifeblood of modern business. As a technology manager, the decisions you make now are the foundation of tomorrow's breakthroughs. This course simplifies the world of AI, cutting through the clutter to equip you with actionable insights that drive innovation, enable efficient workflows, and unlock strategic advantages for your team. You'll explore hands-on AI tools that automate routine tasks, liberating your time for strategic thinking and creative problem solving. Look, your skills need to grow as quickly as the technology around you. In this course, you'll stay ahead of the game with monthly updates that deliver fresh insights, tailored strategies, and practical applications that you can implement immediately. Not only will you refine your understanding of AI fundamentals and enhance your leadership through AI-powered decision-making, but you'll also develop proficiency in automating and streamlining operations to boost productivity. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This is about harnessing the power of AI to reinforce your role as an irreplaceable leader, merging your unique human insight with the efficiency of digital tools. It's a deep dive into practical applications, from predictive analytics to generative AI, that will propel you forward. Your journey in mastering AI begins here, empowering you to lead with clarity and confidence. Discover all the AI for Technology Managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.